morning everyone. So today I got up a bit late. I wanted to go run at 7-8 a.m. but it's almost 11 a.m. right now, and I'm going to start running today. It's going to be interesting. Today is the day when I start training, basically a marathon. Obviously I'll start off small with running 1k first, then 5k, then 10k, then half marathon, and then a marathon. But yeah, this is the journey. This is the starting journey. Yeah, really excited. So let's go. Finally going to the track, almost about to reach the track. I'll show you around once I reach. It's a beautiful Sunday, good time to run. Although it's very sunny, but it's chill air and perfect time to run. 11:22. So let's go and get this shit done. That's the football field. This is the track. I'll be running here. And this is this Logan Field, University of Seattle. People are playing football over there. It's sunny. A little bit of warm up. Not doing a lot because I hit legs yesterday night. So don't want to push myself enough or else strain myself. So it's my first day. Gonna run slowly, smoothly. Aim is to run 5 kilometers and see what time do I do. So slowly and steadily, let's go and do this shit. Oh my god. I just did one round of the circuit and breathing so heavy. My legs are paining. Damn, running is so hard, man. That too running on the pavement when sun is directly hitting you. Just ran 0.28 miles in 3.5 minutes. Damn, it's bad. At least I'll finish a mile. Started out doing 1 kilometer, I know, but did one round, doing walking for one round, then we'll run again. Damn, this is some challenging shit right out there. So let's go, don't stop. Just finished the second round and I'm breathing like crazy. It's already 7:16, 7 minutes 16 seconds. Distance is 0.57 miles. I'm getting further into the ice. Damn, this shit is crazy. How am I going to do the marathon? Even a half marathon. I barely can run a kilometer, and that too at a very slow pace. It's going to be a crazy ride from here to running a marathon, which will take months and months. I'll walk half the track and complete one more round. So 3 rounds will be done today. More than a kilometer. I was thinking I'll do 5 kilometer right when I start. That was a crazy thought. Yeah, you have to be crazy to do crazy things right. Finally finished a mile in 12 minutes and 48 seconds. That is disgusting. Started out to running a 5 kilometer run, but couldn't even complete a mile. Can just barely complete a mile. Now let's grab some coffee and maybe some food. Let's see. Let's go. So trying the Koto Jelly Coffee for the first time. This is a very, very, very famous shop here in Seattle. I've seen this on Instagram. This was near my place, so I thought, why not just grab some coffee from here? And this is the jelly coffee with milk. Jelly coffee is kind of like boba. So let's try this. It's quite unique. Jelly coffee is like kind of like boba-ish, but not exactly. But pretty good. Finally, back at my place after a good run and an almost good coffee run as well. And it was actually really hard, man. I mean, starting out my first run after so very long, and I used to run quite far and quite fast as well. Put out some screenshots over here when I used to run back in 2021 and 2022, and when I was actually very fit. So I'll definitely have to beat those targets. It's 8:30 p.m. and still daylight outside, and today is 28 degrees Celsius outside. There's a heat advisory outside that people should stay at home. Too much heat. Today is the best day. That means to go for a run. I know I said that I'll go on the weekend. This is the perfect time to break your promise and test your mentality running in the heat. And also I will be breaking out my new Adidas shoes for running, which are these ones. These are the Adi Zero. These are very light and probably will be better than my Nikes to run. So let's go and get the second running session in. So as you can see, I'm in the ground and I have the fanny pack. Yes, I bought this fanny pack just because I can keep my camera inside this while I'm running, so that no one can just take my camera and run off. But yeah, if you can see my shoes, they're pretty good. I don't even I feel very weird running in these shoes because the sole of the shoes is so big, so huge that
I need some time to at least get adjusted to this shoe. First I'll do some stretches and then we'll start running. See, a lot of people are running already before even me. Like this, on our heels first. I've seen this exercise, just stretching out my calves and my shins so that I don't get injured, doing toe rotations. And guys, this is 8:50 p.m. so it'll get dark soon at around 9:30 p.m. and obviously I'll be done by then. Just a quick warm up because I don't have much time today. I have to finish quickly before sun goes down, before it gets dark. But yeah, 2.5 rounds of this track is basically a mile, and last time I ran 2.5 miles, and last time I ran 2.5 rounds, but not consistently. I ran around 1 round and took a break for 2 minutes or 5 minutes and then ran another 1.5 round to finish my mile. So this time I hope that I can finish a mile at least in a lesser pace than previous. If I put a wrong step, I can just twist my ankle like this. So yeah, I have to be very careful. That's all right. Running is so hard, man. Seriously. But finally some progress after running the last time. I paced myself this time and ran full 3 rounds before stopping. And this time my pace was also better and my timing was also better. Maybe that was in the middle of the day, in the afternoon. And this is evening. I don't know, or maybe the shoes. Because the Nikes one was so flat that I could feel my foot hitting the track. But these were perfect. And this is my time. I'll just walk 1 more round and then go home, and then we'll meet again on Sunday. I really love the Seattle weather in summer. You can see the orange kind of sunlight behind me, and it's just 8:42 p.m. and there's still sun outside, and I'm back running again. So let's go. 3 workouts, 3 laps done, and just walking for half a track. Still not that exhausted, not feeling that breathlessness that I used to when I first ran. But yeah, good progress. Let's go. Completed 1.6 miles, approximately 2.5 km. Did 3 laps without stopping, then stopped for half a lap. Just walked half a lap and then did 3 more laps. So 21-minute run, and not great pace, but yeah, it's a start.